Shut up and sit down.
Hi guys, Damien at Fuel Exhaust here. One of the questions I get asked a lot is how we remove our baffles. On this particular video I'm going to show you how to remove a Diablo exhaust baffle. So all you're going to need is a 5mm Allen key, a pair of pliers and possibly a magnet. Very easy to do. All you're going to just do is follow the video that I'm showing you now. Cue the video. Okay, to remove the baffle, first job we need to do is pull the little rubber bung out and then insert our Allen key to grab hold of the bolt and carefully remove it, but we've dropped it inside. So all we need to do is we need a magnet. Oops. And we grab hold of it. It can't fall anywhere, so that's the trick, and then remove the baffle. So obviously we want to line the nut up with the hole inside the silencer, so we do that roughly by doing this, and you can look through the side of the exhaust to get the right position. Get our Allen key all the way through, tighten it up, and then replace the little bung as well. There we go, and we're ready to ride. Well guys, that's a nice short little video just to help you if you can't remove your baffle. Hope it's been of some help to you. It's exactly the same whether you're removing one from a Slash, an F1R or a Classic as well. The only differences being the bolt is at the bottom on the Classics, F1Rs and Slashes. You just remove them the same way, 5mm Allen key, pair of pliers and just remove them. Dead easy to do. Okay guys, I hope this video has been of some help to you. Please like and subscribe to our channel. It helps us get out there and get seen. Till next time, see you again.